Hi students of class 4. Today we will do the last part of the chapter, that is undo and redo. So get ready with the book, page number 36. After doing the undo and redo, we will revise the chapter once again. Okay, so let's start the class. Undo command is used to reverse the last action. Whatever we have done, the last work we have done, to reverse it, we use the undo command. And what is redo? Redo is used to reverse the action of the undo command. That means the redo button can only be used if we have used the undo button, and whatever the undo has done, it will reverse the action that is done by the undo command. That is the work of the redo button. And what are the shortcut keys of undo and redo? The shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z, and redo is Ctrl plus Y. That is, the shortcut key for undo is Ctrl plus Z, and redo or repeat is Ctrl plus Y. Done. Now let us see how it is done in the computer. Let's see it. Now suppose we have written this and we want to use the undo button. What we will do? This is the undo button. Click on it. See, our typing will go. And now we want to use the redo button. See, my school has again come back. Understand the use of undo and the redo button. Now let us revise the chapter once again from the first. Now, how to select something? First we have to click in the first place from where we want to start the selection. Click the mouse over there, drag the mouse and leave it, and our text will be selected. There are different mouse actions to select a word, sentence, paragraph, entire text. To select one character from the right, left, these all things are there. Insert mode. There are two modes in the word. First is the overtype mode, next is the insert mode. Using the file tab option, we can select the different modes. File tab option, over here go to advanced, and over here the overtype mode is there. If you want to select it, we can select it from here. After that, click OK. Okay. Next topic was how to insert a blank line. Suppose we want to insert a blank line over here. First we have to click the mouse over here. Then we have to press one enter, and a new line is inserted over here. Now, how to delete a character? Using the delete key and backspace key, we usually delete the characters. And there are certain rules to delete the block of text. To select it, press the backspace or the delete key. The block of text is deleted. If you want to delete a particular word, we can use the Ctrl plus backspace to delete a particular word. And if we want to delete a particular character, we use only the delete key or the backspace key, either for the right side of the character deleting or the left side of the character deleting. Okay. Next topic is how to copy and move the text. For that, first select the text, go to the home tab, clipboard group, copy option is there, click copy, then go to a new place and in the clipboard group you have the paste option. Click over there. See, the my word is pasted. Now suppose we want to move a text. First select it. In the clipboard group the cut option is there. Click the cut option. The text is cutted from here, and suppose we want to paste it over new place. Click the paste. See, the copying and moving option is done. So these all are there in chapter 3. So these are the topics basically covered in chapter 3. We have done the revision. We have done the last part of the chapter. So your homework will be to write the let's recap of page number 36 in the computer CW copy and send it to me at bpsjhelpdesk@gmail.com for correction. Don't forget it to finish it and send it to me. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So stay at home, stay healthy, finish your work. Don't forget it to send it to me, and bye bye.
Bye bye.